Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to print mailing labels from Google Sheet. First, start by opening your Google Sheet document. You need to ensure that you have the Label Maker add-on installed. Look toward and top of the screen and click on the Extensions menu. From the drop-down menu, hover over Add-ons and then select Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the search bar at the top, type Label Maker. Then follow the prompts to install it. Once Label Maker is installed, go back to the Extensions menu, where you will now see Label Makers as an option. Click on Label Maker and then select Create Labels. A panel will appear on the right side of your screen. Guideline through the label create process. Once of the first step is selecting a template that fits your needs. There are many templates available. I will be using the 5160 template. Then by clicking and adding the merge fields, you can seamlessly pull data from your spreadsheet. After adding each item, take a moment to adjust the layout so everything fits correctly. You can also add styling touches like bolding key information such as names to make them stand out. When you are done, click Create Labels. Once the process is complete, click Open Document. While we'll bring up a new document containing all your general labels, and there you have it. Your mailing labels are now ready for printing. With your labels display in the document, connect your printer and print them out. Just be sure to double check your printer settings so they match the label settings you're using. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.